Behave, my guys.
What's the last day?
Article.
My guys.
Mad Shamada. I don't go out, Papa. Just hit the sheep and off.
You know, I need a computer. 90%.
90%. So, who are your friends?
You need to two my friends. One is dead on his own. And one is Niger. They don't go to Jamaica, Niger, go to Barbados.
So I'm not afraid this kind of.
I my friends is scanned now, but I saw a magic.
Yeah.
Information no barely.
Okay.
I can see you, most of your time you spend it here. Why are you not interested to go out? Like clubs like Iris, Mbare, Strat Avenue, Spark, yes. Why don't you go there?
So we're going to go money a pair of qualities.
Okay. Oh, you've got an advantage that you can borrow and you can send the money later.
Countries.
Okay, that's why you're so interested in Wedzera place.
Plus, Banabango to Bobati. What you not want to review a banner shining a moon. Just opponents go on one and go to Nito.
Okay. Because in you don't want to go out. Maybe I was worried maybe you don't go this out which tamba my places are special, so we don't want those special places when you're in Zimbabwe.
I was trying to go to my places special. And then you got to go on this. Okay. And my places are one this too much. Way too much. Saga is a good but
right now, my man, you are not married. Are you on your way to marry that lady from
because my imagine should no funga in musikana watodani kana even my imagine ndakana mudzokera kumashure kune vasikana vakaita hafu waiziva ndine vamwe vakaita nhumbu dzakazara ne7 months ndine vamwe vakaita nhumbu but havana kuzopa pasina kana churu waiziva
fake pregnancy
ndine vamwe vakaita nhumbu isipo futi vakakwira ndege waiziva
on your expense.
On my expense. Saka mama kuti nditi ndaonaona handichiri kuri.
Oh, so you were so disappointed with that one you took from Zimbabwe. She went by air and it made your own expenditures. When she was there, she taught you a lesson, is it?
It's not a lesson, because since I don't go to Garo, to go to Ronong, to Saite, and as now Perapandiri.
You're the only one.
So deep, but no Perapandiri. When I saw I told you, when I got it, I got Minox. What does October Shavaga you try you? What I wouldn't quite need up and disappoint. Nini personally, the Gash Kangano, but Sungo it or the because we wouldn't put that as well to put out. But Munkanoga to Okaitwa, Chitaure, Okaitwa, Sataure, and Daka and it's
yeah, and this was right.
Milania, when a Japan and Tamba fight and Nagaroa, you are a Tamba fight or Roa. What's the road? Chiquara Garcia, noisy. In the Pandagaquara and but good repair, what you could not need.
But in the future, the past is past. For example, you
Dagata forget but not forgive. One wanted to forget and forgive. Dagata forget, but forgiveness.
Yeah, this idea you forget and you did not forgive. Like I own up that lady. She thought she's in love with you, my link, yes. she pretended as if she was so serious about you.
I
But she was so interested to just to go out. You know, she just wanted to fly out of Zimbabwe.
She used my kindness for weakness. Because when I didn't know feel what I was. So she was there.
Okay.
But yes, I eat going down Usher, Takana night. Gone. Saka ango di buy so but you know wait. Changu didn't go around Jugoita move on. What I come here up one place. Don't you want my baby? You're not on the gates anyway.
And those here.
I
was once in trouble now, mother's country. My baby said, she saw me dancing, you know, I always dance with them. So I had my dancing skills that you would say, you know, like those ones, you know, I'll be sparking them. Now, the moment of whining music, they come now. What's that? Then continuously. Then police will tell me, this child. You see, so she would be very, very suspicious that I know you guys, they've got your girls. Not knowing, no, we'll be just running up time. We'll be comforting our brother friend who came back to the motherland. But she's sure that we don't have influence. Minox has got plenty because he is avenging.
No, I'm not. I don't deal with vengeance. Because I'm also a cat. The cat is always in the place.
Exactly.
But I'm not. Unabatsira munhu abatsirika zvinhu zvanga zvakuita otanga kukufaira kuti nge apana chawakambomuita bata mnyara even ngotambira munhu paairport chaiwo watomubatsira because wakutotanga kutomuratidza zvimwe zvinhu zvaasati amboona muupenyu hwake pane unosvika paairport otanga kuti where am I gonna go ndanga kukupinza mumba mangu chete like right now.
That's a great
right now. Could you need to invite him to Mangwa? I feel comfortable. For it.
Okay.
For it. But Kuno don't go to Magana Munwes, so then to Rachakatu. Because Kuno don't go to my friends. But Kuko, they always want something. When I do something, I tell friend, just, it's association. Friend by association. Test it move from Zimbabwe. But my Shirambi, my acquaintances. But Panama, my friends, I'm phoning the Ashan to end up to Zimbabwe. One child, Unimari, Chichi, on. Panama, my friends are, but now they are relatives, my sisters.
But there's one friend lover who's missing. That girl from somewhere. By the name
Saru.
That Saru. Why did she come and join you? Why didn't she come and join you?
She's in London.
She's in London.
I'm so happy when she's around here.
She went soon.
Sure.
Can't you see I'm not in Morao?
It's a kind of what in there, no good woman.
To enjoy.
She was
To enjoy.
No, but that's a good idea.
Yeah, big man. Yeah, big man. And two big man.
Over 60 times since I went to Canada.
Right.
So all of friends are
You and Saru.
I was in there and start a moment. And don't compare myself with people. I don't compare myself with in a way. No businessman, anything you want to.
But you know, Minox, when always Saru is here, I'm very, very happy.
Good smoke.
Can you
good smoke?
Can you bring him back? Can you try some plants this week? Can you meet him, please? Okay, oh, I didn't know. Okay. Oh, this time you came to give him his crown. That made
because
king of
the king.
aliasly.
It's
not good or it's not.
As long as you
won't be comfortable.
As long as Mugabe is alive,
nothing will happen.
I don't see myself being ruled by anybody else.
Yeah.
As long as Mugabe is alive. Robert Gabriel Mugabe was ZANU-PF. And forgot pane mumwe munhu anofanira kutonga Zimbabwe as long as he's alive.
So it costed you how much? From Canada to Zimbabwe till tomorrow you'll be going again to give him his crown. It will cost you how much?
And ticket cheaper, Ethiopian Airways. It costed you how much? 1,600 Canadian. So guys, it wasn't that expensive for the season.
Okay.
It wasn't that.
So how much do you think you're going to spend tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
You gotta wait.
I can't take $100. Don't go $100 far out in the because kuna vamwana raunesa usuda kuti zviti
exactly
vanhu ngavasangonesa so bosisi hatina basa navo tine basa namudhara.
This morning Bambuka angari pa TV was talking about 30 million. I don't think 30 million. I think so. It was given to the youth for development of projects which the youth are supposed to be doing. So I'm one of the youth chairmen.
It's indigenous, empower, employ.
Right.
exactly.
So I went to Cut House. I wanted to talk to Mr. Mtamba. Cut was the Zanubi of the head office.
Mbare,
yes. Mbare, right. So I went there. They said, no, we are having a meeting. We can come at 3, what. So I understand 3 is 5 o'clock in Zimbabwe. You know, it's Shona like this. So we're going for a meeting. I want to know their plans according to our projects. Was I have got a project? Yes, got a project.
But my projects
are higher.
But project can even I pins by Escopa line. As you know, Mama projects they take like 2 years. Could I tank mature? Someone can even but they winner. Could a transition yard. It takes like 2 years. Could Watanga with us? I know that. This is Gweja and Kurkun's indigenization. As now wait for 1 year ago, indigenized in 1 year.
What is trying to say is this. Atons what Maria Buddha has connected Maria Diaz.
Yabuda Kunan.
But TV.
Once about TV, Jean Fan Jean Fan Pakansi, Magetsi, Mvura, Jason and Rent, just last one at the same day. I
was there today. I failed to tell you guys.
But Takamira paper in 2 months, July and August.
My current today, inside.
Current is not good. Yes, it's slashed.
I'm cheap for promise. I brought it.
Me not without it. And whenever I got it slashed, it's just like I want to be current. But nobody see how it is slashed.
Right.
Okay.
Although it's just a promise. Bango fulfill a promise you. Panimango a promise about our foot.
Okay.
But I got independence in until grade 6, 1980. Shakan's Chikoro Mahara. Takaenda uchikoro mahara usvika form 4 but chakachisiri mahara kuti unoenda uchikoro usina kana senti waibhadhara 15 cents per term ntaraunda aitambira $47 a month saka 15 cents per term was nothing kwaari ndekutenga stationary mabhuku aya ataizonyorera aya but chikoro changa chiri chemahara but stationary inoda kutengwa waiziva saka zvese zvekunzi hazvo ndinochinja mangwana kana zvekunzi US dollar hanzi Zimdollar richadzoka havasi kuda kuti tiri kudzoka next week.
Ishi madman ndaitaura panyaya yekuti I don't want to be disappointed for the coming 5 years. Though I was disappointed for the past. So I'm trying to say no. Oh guys, they mustn't disappoint me.
But one problem.
You have to tell them that I don't want to be disappointed.
This is politics. Kana uchitaura politics you have to be smart. Kuti wonaka ma MPs edu ndekuZANU PF. Ma councillors ndeku MDC. Saka inini I'm not going to release my money and give my MDC councillors kuti vaite zvavanoda nemari. Bana mnyerwa. Saka ma MDC councillors vanofanira kutsvaga mari yavo kukanzuro kwavo iko. Because for 4 years apa we didn't see much. Kuma MP futhi we didn't see much. Saka manje atomakakata noti ma MPs are they gonna stand for their constituents? My councillors are they gonna stand for their constituents? What gadziro ma road? What gadziro kana ma toilet? What is lo kana mapombi manyowani? Ma street lights. Desha council. Kuzvinzwisisa. Nemvura tenda mvura isa. Mvura kune vanhu mabhuku mental. Vanhu mabhuku akaita 2 years asina kana mvura yemutepoti. Toda kuti councillor wekoko aise mvura mutepo. Atichitungwisa.